Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And today mommy is gonna show us how to make the delicious masoor pulaw. So this is what we need. Mommy.
This is half a kg of keema, mutton keema. This is 1 cup of whole masoor. We have soaked it in hot water for an hour. Okay?
Can see masoor.
Now we need to mix masalas inside here and let it marinate for at least half an hour. So this is 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste which goes in here. It's 4 tablespoons?
4 tablespoons.
Yes, 4 tablespoons of yogurt.
Plain yogurt.
And then this is like 2 cups of fried onions. And this is also 2 cups of tomato puree. And we use Shan Bombay biryani and Sindhi biryani. It's like 2 tablespoons of each. Sindhi biryani. This is Bombay biryani. Then we mix this all up along with mint leaves and coriander leaves.
So I'm gonna take some mint leaves for kachunga. I'm gonna make some kachunga.
Raita.
Raita.
Vegetable raita.
Little bit kachunga. Yeah?
Yeah.
And this is like up to you, right? How much you want mint you can.
Yeah.
Put.
Yes.
Coriander leaves and mint leaves.
Now after marinating this, here we have 2 cups of basmati rice. We have soaked it for half an hour, and it depends how many potatoes you like to put. I have put like about 3 to 4 potatoes and slice them up like this, thick roundels, and then we have soaked them in salt so that they don't change color. And then we are putting 6 boiled eggs. Okay, we'll marinate this and leave it for about half an hour, 30 minutes. Okay.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put the rice to boil. So for rice we need cardamom, cinnamon sticks, 1 small one, 4 pieces of cardamom, bay leaves, like 1 big leaf, and few pieces of black corn. So put it in the water, and salt already put, and the rice. Then boil it, mommy, for how long boil?
Until it's cooked 80%.
80%, not fully cooked,
No.
because we will put it in the oven also. Not fully cooked, just 80% of cooked, that's all. And then we are gonna start making the keema then. Okay, so let's put the, how many spoons of oil? Like about 4 tablespoons of oil, heat up. And then we put like pinch of spoon.
This 1 tablespoon. This is 1/5.
1 tablespoon. Like 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. So let them heat up. When they make a bit noise, then can add your mince, your mixture. Moise decided to watch.
Now.
So just want to let you know that until you marinate the mixture, the mince and all that, mommy fried the potatoes. And mommy is saying it took a bit time, more time, but it is very tasty in pulav. And then we boil the rice and peel the eggs. To boil the to fry the potato, we don't need also so much oil.
Shallow fry.
Yeah, a little bit, and the same oil we can use for the rest of the flour. So interesting, isn't it?
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
What are you just doing? Hi. Say hi. Hello. Is it cracking? Yeah.
Mix it and half an egg over. So add 1 cup of water. mix again. And let it cook for half an hour. Like you check, in half an hour you check until it is like when your masoor is fully cooked. Then you can turn it off. And then if it is cooked, if it is water, the water needs to dry. The water needs to dry. Just dry the water and the keema is done. So guys, this is the final product. Masoor pulav, and here's some raita. And
so enjoy the meal. Take care and see you next time. Bye.
Bye guys. If you
Bye.
like it, please put your thumbs up and subscribe for more videos if you haven't yet. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye. See you.